Otu appli eioline. Osan eioline, liquide, pensile, orgel. Puton yureye shadow. Ust eioline tu creta doted lin alon yurupe lâche. Connected dot, ten finished line, starting from tine corner of yurei. Applying liquide line. Check te line. Tu ensure tat liquide line well mixed, you will need to check te bot te le. Mac sur tat lidi secure first anten check te liquide line for a fait second. When you are ready, inscrete cap ampult brush out of te bot te le. If the brush seem to have to mush line on it, then sweep it across the edge of the line bot te le. Star in the middle. Place te brush against your up lash line so it a close a possible to your lash. Then, begin applying line to your up lash line. Move out toward to the edge of your lash line. If you are very budgeting on even line, you can line your up lash line with pencil line first and go over it line with liquid line. Fill in the gap. After you have finished lining to the corner, line tine edge of your up lash line and connect the line up with the first line you made. Use small stroke to connect your line and fill it out and needed so that you have one solid, even line on your up lash line. If you make a mistake, dip a cottons vab in some make promove en use the tip of the cottons vab to fix it. You can wipe away excess line or even out a crooked edge. Follow low lash line for a winged look. Wing are optional with liquid line, but adding wing can intensify your look. If you want to create a winged look, then just follow the curve of your route lash line over form to the corner of your eyelid. Then, fill in the wing needed. Try creating just a small wing if you don't want to look too dramatic, or go for a long wing for a drama look. You can use the edge of a business card to help you create a straight line for the wing. Just place the business card against to the edge of your eyelid en angle and trace along the edge with the liquid line. You can also use tape to create wing. Place some tape on your low lash line so that it is angle. The tape should be right up against to the edge of your low lash line and extending up toward your eyebrow. You can tilt the tape a much or a little you want, but keep in mind a more tilt will look more dramatic. If you want a less dramatic look, reduce the amount of tilt in your tape. Applying pencil line. Prepare your line pencil. To ensure that your pencil line goes smoothly, it helps to get it to the right temperature. If your line feels hard, then you might want to warm it up. If it feels soft, then you might want to cool it down. To warm up your line, hold it over a flame for a few seconds. It will soften up the line and to give it a gel-like consistency. Then, test the line on your wrist before you apply it to your eye. To cool down your line, try placing it in the freezer for about 10 minutes before you apply it. It will help to prevent pencil line from crumbling. Hold to the corner of your eyelid. Place your finger on to the edge of your up lash line and pull outward gently so that the eyelid it will help to ensure that you create a straight even line along your up lash line. You may also want to close your eyelid as you pull it to. Raise your eyebrow so that your eyelid do not block your lash line at all point. It may also be helpful to rest your elbow on a table or countertop to keep your hand steady. Start at in corner and work across. Begin lining at in corner of your eyelid and move toward to the edge of your eyelid. Make sure that you go slowly and use a short stroke to create an even line. If you want to make your eye look bigger and more open, then you may consider applying a light color just to in corner of your up lash line. For example, you could use a cream colored line on in corner and a brown colored line on to the corner. Consider tight lining for a more natural look. If you want a really natural look, then you might consider tight lining your eye. To tight line your eye, only apply the line to the space between your lashes and your up lid. Tiwi l'accentuat you tu cretinia dramatique line point you cantait line you rupe en barre oblique orlo et lâche line. For en événement natural look, pre-tight lining you ita neutral shad, suchalite brown. Line yurlo et lâche line. If you decide to line yurlo et lead, place à fingeon tout the edge of yurlo et lead en plus lit to. 10. Besoin applying line using short stroke, just a you did with the top lead. Line tentir bottom lash line for a dramatic look. Lining tentir low et lash line along with your up lash line will make your look even more dramatic. Line just to the half of the low et lash line for a more subtle look. You can also use a light shadow of a line for the low et lash to make the effect a bit less dramatic. For example, you could use a light brown shadow on your low et lash line. Apply gel line. Apply line to one side of the line brush. Gel line usually common as malpo and you will need a line brush to apply it. When you are ready to apply your line, discreetly from the po and dip your line brush into the gel line so just the tip edge coated in gel line. Gel line can dry out quickly, so make sure that you replace the lid as soon as you are done using it. If it's a little dry or stiff, then you may also want to warm the po in your hand to make it easier to use. Star urine en ou te corner. Besoin applying te gel line to urine lash line moving toward te santé, budo no feel it in yet. 10. Apply some line to your route lash line moving toward to the edge. If you really tend to cover up your line, then apply the line in an arch shape. Ti will help to ensure that you can set line when your are open. 15. Annote option I to create several dot along your lash line and unconnected dot to create a line. Feeling te santé. After you have starter line on tine on the edge, then you can feeling the gap along the santé of your lash line. Use soft small stroke to create an even line along your up lash line. To ensure that line even, you may need to go over it several times. Jet some more gel line on your brush if needed. You may be able to complete with more of gel line that you apply to your brush, or you can add more if needed. Try blending some shadow along the edge of the line to create a smoky or smudged effect. Creating a smoky catty look. Create a base. Apply a neutral tone of shadow to your eyelid to besoin and follow it up with a slightly darker color. For example, you can use a nude shade, followed by a light brown shade, use a fluffy brush to apply a layer of the shadow all over your eyelid. Add the shadow to the edge of your eyelid. Next, apply some medium brown shadow to the edge of your eyelid. Ti will start to enhance your route eyelid and create a nice backdrop for your cat eyeline. Follow up the medium brown shadow with some black eyeshadow over the same area. Apply some black eyeshadow to thin edge of your eyelid level. Ti will help to create the smoky effect. Add the eyeshadow to the edge of your eyelid. Next, apply some medium brown eyeshadow to the edge of your eyelid. Ti will start to enhance your route eyelid and create a nice backdrop for your cat eyeline. Follow up the medium brown shadow with some black eyeshadow over the same area. Apply some black eyeshadow to thin edge of your eyelid level. Ti will help to create the smoky effect. Line your up lash line. Not as you have finished applying your eyeshadow, you can start to line your up lash line with black eyeline. Take the eyeline en besoin by applying it to the on edge of your up eyelid, then feeling te santé. If you are using gel line with a line brush, then make sure that brush evenly coated and that are no clump of lines to count brush. Create your wing. Next, extend your eyeline out past the edge of your eyelid en U-bar. Follow the curve of your lower lash line to help you create the wing. Then, fill in the area between the center of the wing and the line on your eyelid. When you are done, you should have a dramatic, thick-looking cat eyeline look. Apply mascara en false lash. You can finish your look with some mascara en false lash if desired. Adigne mascara will help to define your ayant false lash will give you an even more dramatic look. Try curling your lash before you apply mascara to give them some extra volume and definition.